We go. Hey, hi Ashish. How are you?
I'm good, sir. What about you?
Yes, I'm also doing great. Thank you for asking. Ashish, so as I can see your profile, you have applied for the position of data analyst as a fresher. Okay.
Mhm.
So, Ashish, can you please walk me through your profile once?
Sure, sir.
Yes.
First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity. I'm Ashish Rawat from Dehradun. I have completed my graduation in Bachelor's of Commerce. I
Uh-huh.
have 3 years of work experience in social media marketing. Regarding my current skills, I am proficient in SQL, Power BI, DAX, Advanced Excel, and I've created many projects using these tools on my own.
Okay.
Actually, they are not guided projects. Also, like recently, I have worked on supply chain analysis. On that project, I have solved a business problem and I created a beautiful dashboard on Power BI. Apart from this, sir, currently I'm learning Python for automating tasks, and I'm learning some libraries which are used for data analysis. That's all about.
Okay. So Ashish, while you were working with this all these data sets and all, okay. So at that time, what challenges did you face using large data set? I mean, how did you approach it and what was the outcome? You said that you were working on multiple projects, right?
Right, right.
Yes. So what challenges did you face while using large data sets?
Sir, actually, the most challenging part is only the cleaning part. Okay, when we have to deal with some null values, missing values, we have
Okay.
to remove some columns. So we have to think like very deeply which column is required for our analysis and which column are not.
Mm-hmm.
So the cleaning part is most challenging in my previous projects, sir.
Okay. Okay. Super. So, Ashish, tell me, I mean, how did you prioritize your work when you were working with multiple projects and competing deadlines? So, can you just give me a real-time example? How did you do that?
Yes, sir. I prioritize my workload to maintain a sustainable balance. Like whatever I think it is most important. Okay, then I will do. I will complete that task first. Then I will move to my next task. Okay, I will divide a big task into subsets of. Okay,
Okay.
uh, yes. So like I whatever I have to do first, I will complete that task. Then I will move to my next task. That's how I can manage.
Okay. Well, Ashish, as you were associated with multiple projects, so how did you, ensure that the data you analyze is used ethically, especially when you're dealing with sensitive information?
Mhm. I can put some restriction to my data. Okay,
Okay.
that the industry people can see whatever is going on with this data. Okay, and I will put some restrictions so the other person cannot see the
Okay.
data and whatever I'm doing with the data.
Okay. Super. So, Ashish, tell me, how would you rate yourself on a scale of 10 when it comes to Excel?
So, I would give 7, sir.
7. Okay. So let's get started.
Sure, sir.
Okay. So, Ashish, tell me the purpose of Excel data model and how you can enable it.
Okay. Uh, Sir, suppose I have a data. Okay, in my Excel file, I have multiple tables. What I can do, I can just create a pivot table, and on the pivot table, there's an option add this data to a data model. Okay,
No.
then my data will be stored in Power Pivot. Okay,
Mhm.
and in Power Pivot, I can do the data modeling. I can connect all the dimension table to the fact table, and basically, I can do anything whatever I'm doing in Power BI. Okay, I can connect all the tables in dimension table and fact table, and that's how I can enable Power Pivot in Excel, and I can do the modeling part in Excel with the
Okay.
help of Power Pivot.
Okay. So, as you were associated with multiple projects, Ashish, can you tell me, have you come across the term or the function called concat and text join in Excel? May I know what its use?
Yes, sir. It is basically combine two or more strings in a cell. We can use concat to combine two string in one cell. Okay,
Okay, okay,
and the text join is basically text join do the same work as concat. Okay, in text join we can put a separator. Okay, like we have to combine with we have to combine this text using a separator. So we can mention the separator, it is comma or space. That's how we can use concat and text join. Also, what we can do, there is one more option. We can just write equal to a cell, then we can refer to a cell, then we have to put and and sign. Then after after and we can put another cell. Also we can join a space if you want to, if we want to join a space, so we can put some inverted comma. That's how we can, basically concat is used to combine two or more string.
got you, got you. Okay. So, tell me, Ashish, how would you create a dynamic named range in Excel?
Okay. Uh, First, we have to select the cells. Okay.
Okay,
First, we have to select the cells. Then we have to go to the data tab. In the data tab, we can go in the name manager.
okay,
Okay. So in the main name manager, there is a feature in Excel. We have to go to the name manager, and we can create a we have to create a name for the selected cells. Okay, and we can use that name range wherever we want in our calculation or chart. I mean visuals.
okay, okay, okay. Fine. Ashish, I want help from your end. Okay, I need to know the purpose of Excel ribbon and how can I customize it. So, what will be the steps you are going to guide me?
Okay. First, you can click on any tab. Okay,
First,
home
tell me
tab,
what's the purpose of Excel ribbon?
ribbon. Sir, the purpose of Excel ribbon is we can customize our ribbon. Okay, ribbon is nothing. It is on the what we are seeing on the top, home tab, data tab, format tab, whatever we are seeing on the top. That is a whole ribbon. Okay, and we can how we can customize. We can just click on any tab, right click, then at the bottom we can see the customize ribbon. In customize ribbon we can on the developer tab we can create our own tab. Okay, in which we are putting all the important features which we are using frequently, like we can put clear format, this this color.
Okay, well, um, so tell me, I want to protect my workbook in Excel. So, what methods am I going to use?
The protection. Okay. Sir, actually, I have used protection, but I haven't used recently. But I do remember that we can protect a range of cell, we can protect the worksheet, we can protect the workbook. We just have to go on the data tab, I think.
Okay, okay. You think, I mean, how much sure you're about it?
Uh, Sir, I haven't used recently, actually.
Okay, okay. No, no worries, no worries. Okay, Ashish, let's come to SQL again. Ashish, tell me how to drop a table in SQL and what are the potential consequences for that?
Okay, sir. First of all, if we are using drop command, it
Hmm?
means the entire table will be gone. Okay, uh, just a minute. The I mean the rows, the table structure, entire table or database. We can drop a database also. So that table or database will be gone from our SQL. Okay,
Mhm.
so we can just write drop table and then the table name. That's it. And we can use if exist also.
Done, done.
If exist will basically check if the table is exist in the our database or not.
Okay, okay, okay. So, tell me what is the difference between an inner join and outer join in SQL?
Okay, sir, let me give you an example.
Sure.
Okay, suppose I have two tables, customer and order.
Okay.
If I have to see, if I am interested in only those customers who actually placed order, okay, I can achieve this using the inner join. So inner join will basically will fetch all the records from the left table and all the records from the right table, matches record. All the matching record from the left table and all the matching record from the right table. That is inner join.
Okay.
And the outer join will be fetch all the records from the left table and all the records from the right table, whether the rows are matched or not.
Okay. Okay. Fine. So, have you ever used row number function in SQL?
Yes, sir. Row number is a window function. Okay, and we have to use row number function with over clause. In over, we can put some arguments like partition by this column, order by this column, and yes, sir. That's about row number function.
Okay. So I have been working in SQL, and can I get some purpose of why do we use truncate table statement? What is the
Truncate.
purpose of the truncate statement table
Okay.
statement?
Mhm. If you have to remove all the records from a table, but not the structure, you want the structure. You want I mean, if you want to delete all the records from a table, you can go for the truncate statement. Truncate statement will delete all the records from the table, but not the structure. Okay. And we can achieve this also by using a delete command. Okay. But delete command will take more time. Okay. Because it will delete row by row, row by row. Basically, truncate will remove all the records from a table.
Okay. So, Ashish, my question is, I want to create a temporary table in SQL. Okay. So how
Okay.
do I do that? And why do I do it? I mean, what's the purpose of that? Why should I
Okay.
create a temporary table in SQL?
Sir, you can create a temporary table, and basically a temporary table stores the temporary data within a
Mhm.
session or transaction. Okay.
Okay.
You can create a temporary table, like create temporary table, and after the uh, temporary table, you have to mention the temporary table name. Okay.
Mhm.
Then you can write some below query, whatever you want to store on that temporary table.
Okay.
And you can use that temporary table wherever you want in our queries, but within a session. Once a session will end, that temporary table will be gone.
Okay. So coming back to Power BI. Okay. Ashish, tell me, how do you schedule a data set refresh in Power BI service?
Sir,
Scheduling of a data set refresh. Yes.
how do we schedule in Power BI service?
A data set refresh in Power BI service.
Oh, sir, what we can do, we can just go to the data set in Power BI service,
Mm-hmm.
and then we can select the schedule refresh. And by selecting the schedule refresh, we can set like we want to schedule or refresh daily on weekly purpose. Okay, we can do this by going to the data set in Power BI service.
So, can you explain me the difference between a Power BI Pro and Power BI Premium licenses?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please.
Actually, Power BI Pro, we can share our report, share our report to other users also.
Mm-hmm.
We can publish our report to the web. Then we can share the link, and that basically the difference is that in Power BI Pro, the individual license that allows sharing, collaboration, and access to the Power BI. Okay, basically in Power BI Pro we can do everything, and but the thing is that I think in Power BI Pro we cannot handle the large data set. For that we have to go for the Power BI Premium, sir.
Are you sure on that? Ashish?
Sir, I'm not sure, but I read I read about this in
You
Power
read?
BI.
Okay,
Yes.
fine. Not an issue. Well, coming to the next question, what is Power BI desktop optimized for?
Optimized for. Okay,
And
sir.
how does it differ from Power BI service?
Okay, sir. Uh, a Power BI desktop optimized for creating and designing report with full functionality on our local machine, sir. Okay. And talking about Power BI service, cloud-based platform for sharing, collaborating, and accessing report online. It also supports schedule, refresh, and dashboard creation.
Ashish, my last question. What do you understand by the term DAX?
DAX stand for data analysis expression, and we can, sir, there are so many DAX available actually in Power BI, like text functions. DAX is a basically language. Okay, whatever we are doing in Excel, uh, in Excel, people are calling like formulas and functions. So we are using those functions and formulas in Power BI service. Okay. But the thing is that we cannot see the output at, during writing the code. So we have to first create a DAX, then we have to use that DAX in any visual to check if it is correct or wrong. Okay. So DAX stands for data analysis expression, and there are many DAX available like text functions, filter functions. In filter functions, we have all except, filter. In text function, we have the common one, left, right, mid, upper, lower, and time. There are some time intelligence, date, YTD, date, QTD, quarter to date. Okay, and there are some more like logical if. I think if's not there in Power BI service. If's is available in Microsoft Excel, but there is one function called switch. If we have multiple condition, we can use switch function. In switch, we just have to put first expression, like we can put true, and then we have to, if this is this, then give this. If this is this, then give this.
Well, super. So with that, Ashish, I would like to know, where do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
I will see in a senior position.
Mhm.
Actually, my end goal is I want to get a job as a data scientist.
Okay.
So I will see myself in a senior position in the next 5 years.
Okay. Okay. Fine. So why should the company hire you? I mean, what makes you stand out from others?
So you should hire me because I'm very passionate about data analytics, and I'm continuously learning all the things. Like I'm learning some new things. Even though I have learned all of the even though I have learned all the things about the tools which are the common one, but I'm enhancing my learning by learning something new.
Okay. Okay.
So that's why you can hire me, sir. I am a very disciplined person. If you will give me some task and I will think like I have to do this, then I will do. I will. It doesn't matter how much time it will take or how many challenges I have to face. Okay, I will complete your task. So that's why you can hire me, sir.
So don't you think that, how much time it will take, as you said now, right now? So it will disturb your work-life balance, mm, you know?
Mhm. Yes, sir.
So
I'm trying. I will try to manage my work-life balance. Okay, and as I told, I will prioritize my workload to
fine,
maintain a sustainable balance.
fine, superb. So with that, our HR team will get back to you on this. Okay, the feedback. Okay,
Mhm.
so just hold on and wait for the right time.
Mhm.
So Ashish, with that, thank you. Thank you for joining today's podcast. Have a great day.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
so much, sir.